Some common English slangs for beginners. Chill out. Definition: to relax or calm down. Example: you need to chill out and not worry so much about the test. Hang out. Definition: to spend time together. Example: let's hang out at the park after school. No big deal. Definition: it's not a problem or not important. Example: I forgot my book, but it's no big deal. I can borrow yours. Hit the hay. Definition: to go to bed or go to sleep. Example: I'm tired, I think I'm going to hit the hay early tonight. Piece of cake. Definition: something very easy to do. Example: the math homework was a piece of cake. Hit the books. Definition: to study. Example: I have a test tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Keep your chin up. Definition: to stay positive and not get discouraged. Example: I know you're going through a tough time, but keep your chin up, things will improve. Spill the beans. Definition: to reveal a secret. Example: come on, spill the beans. What's the surprise you're planning?